Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change ChatGPT voice on your iPhone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So if you have the ChatGPT app on your iPhone, then you should open it up. So when you have a conversation with ChatGPT, let's say if you want to listen to a different voice, what you can do is click on the bottom right corner icon, which is the like a sound wave icon.